Hello and welcome back to Unboxed TV. Today we're going to be having a look at the Fire TV Stick 4K Max. What a mouthful. It's the latest addition to the Fire TV range. The most recent ones being the Fire TV Stick Lite, and previous to that was the second generation Fire TV Cube. So back to the Fire TV Stick 4K Max. We're going to open up the box, see what's inside, and then tomorrow we'll be doing a further review of what it can do. Without further ado, let's power on. But first this. Today there was a knock at the door and the man was asking for a small donation for the local swimming pool. I gave him a glass of water. So let's open it up. Don't bite your nails, folks. Slide it out the box. Empty box. Okay. So, there we have the Fire TV Stick. Well, it's a stick, isn't it? 2 Amazon batteries, power cable, an extender, important information. This is the European version, as you can see, German, French, Italian and Spanish. Not the version that's available in the UK nor in the US. As you can see, this has got things like Movistar and a few other France TV, and several others, German stuff here. Okay, so what do we get? We've had a look at the stick. Let's have a look at the remote. Close up on the remote. Powered by, let's see if we can get, sliding the back open and then click them back in. As you can see on the remote, we've got a button for Alexa, power button, usual D-pad, enter button, left, right, top, up and down. We've got a back button, a home button, menu button, rewind, forward, pause, play, TV button, mute button, volume up and down, and then the 4 quick access buttons too. And this is the version we've got in Europe. Prime Video, Netflix, Disney Plus and Amazon Music. In tomorrow's video we're going to have a look at what's new in the Max as opposed to the standard 4K, and we're going to be answering some questions like how easy is it to expand storage, what's it like for gaming, and probably most importantly, should I upgrade, should I buy this, should I upgrade my standard FireStick 4K? Join us tomorrow. Thanks for being with us. Please like and subscribe. Be sure to bash that bell to make sure that you get a notification when tomorrow's video does come out. That's all for now. Catch you later. Thanks for being with us. Toodle pip.